At Nidderdale School we decided to do a project based on the Deep. The Deep is a big aquarium based in Hull, and the students had just been to it on a field trip, so they already knew what was there. The idea was that they would produce animations to do with what they could see at the Deep, so things like fish and seahorses and all different sort of weird and wonderful creatures that they saw. Firstly, I taught the students how to draw characters in Flash. Then we split the characters into different body parts, so things like fins, eyes and mouths, anything that could animate really. As well as using a mouse to draw into the computer, we also use Wacom tablets, so using a digital pen drawing directly into the computer. The students then started to animate the characters they created. They created objects that they could interact with the fish characters. So things like nets and seaweed and other fish that could move around the scene. All the computers have eyesight cameras built in, so I asked the students to take photographs of their faces and then create fish characters using their faces as a starting point. This created some interesting characters and meant that they could experiment with what they could produce. I encouraged the students to examine what they created and develop their animations further. We looked at other Flash animators to see what was possible. Finally, we put all the animations together in one long animation and added wave sounds. The rewarding part of the project for me was to see some of the students really enjoying animating in Flash. There were several students that went away and bought educational versions of the Flash software so they continue to animate at home. I think they enjoyed working together as a group, interacting with students maybe that they wouldn't have interacted with in normal classes. Also, Northampton College, as a direct result of me being there, bought several Mac computers and the software